Welcome to our channel. Today we how to download Constant Contact for email marketing income, quick tutorial step by step clearly. To begin, open your preferred web browser. In the address bar, type www.constantcontact.com and press enter. Once the Constant Contact homepage loads, look for the Sign Up button. Click on the Sign Up button to create a new account. You will be directed to a registration page. Fill in the required fields, including your email address and a password. After entering your information, click the Get Started button. Next, you will be prompted to enter your business information. Provide details such as your business name, phone number, and address. Once you've completed this section, navigate to the next step by clicking Continue. Now, you might be presented with different pricing plans. Review the available options and select the one that best suits your email marketing needs. After selecting a plan, enter your payment information to proceed. Once payment is processed, you'll be taken to your Constant Contact dashboard. Here, you can explore various features to help you with your email marketing efforts. To start creating an email campaign, locate the Email tab in the dashboard. Click on the Create button to start designing your first email. You can choose from a variety of templates or create your own from scratch. Follow the prompts to customize your email with content, images, and links. Once your email is ready, review it and then click Send or Schedule. Your email marketing campaign is now set up and ready to deliver. Congratulations on downloading and setting up Constant Contact for your email marketing needs. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.